Example D. Well, we're about to learn a better way to do this, but for now, we're going to say, oh, that's not in standard form. I guess I can put it in standard form. Multiplying the x minus 3 times the x minus 5, and then distributing the negative 12 into that. 12 times 80 is 96. And then some huge C, let's see. 10 times 15 is 150. 2 times 15 is 30, so 180. Our vertex. Since we can now identify our A, B, and our C, is the opposite of B over 2A, so the opposite of 96, divided by twice negative 12. So negative 96 divided by negative 24 is a positive 4. Taking that 4 and plugging it back in. Now we don't have to actually plug it in to the standard form. Since we know this form over here, let's plug it into that form over there. So our y when our x is 4 is negative 12, 4 minus 3 times 4 minus 5. So we have negative 12 times 1 times negative 1 is positive 12. Thus, our vertex is the point 4, 12. We have a negative A. Our A is less than 0, so we are a sad parabola. We open down. Our pattern is 1A, 3A, 5A. So 1 times negative 12. 3 times negative 12. And 5 times negative 12. So our pattern is negative 12, negative 36, negative 60. Woo! Our axis of symmetry is x equals 4, the vertical line through the vertex. So let's count by 2's again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. Do we want to count by 1's or 2's going horizontally? Let's count by 1's this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So our vertex is the point 4, 12. 4, 12. We're going to go over 1 and down 12. That's easy to reflect over the axis of symmetry. If we go down again, we'll go way off our grid, and so our parabola has a maximum value. Since we are a frowny face, we have a top y value. The maximum value here is y equals 12. Maximum value of 12 when the x is 4. Our y-intercepts, when we plug 0 in, we get negative 180, which is way off of the grid that we've drawn. Our transformation, we stretch vertically by 12. So we take our regular y equals x squared graph. Our first transformation is to stretch that up 12. We reflect that over the x-axis. So we're taking it and we're flipping it down. And then we translate it 4 right and 12 up. To get the graph that we have. Our domain, since we have a parabola, it is all real numbers. Negative infinity to infinity. Our range, our highest y value is 12, so all our y's are less than or equal to 12. Or we have negative infinity to positive 12. Let's do a word problem.